Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an auto middle pet grow garden system. Your journey to fresh produce begins with a simple setup. First, carefully unbox your system, then select a level spot for it, ideally near a power source. Connect the power adapter to the main unit and then to the wall outlet. Next, gently place the core pet component into the central water reservoir. Listen for a soft click, confirming it is securely seated. This foundational step is quick, taking only a few moments, and prepares you for bountiful harvests. Once your system is set up, it is time to introduce your plants. Carefully place your preferred seeds or young seedlings into the provided grow pods, ensuring they are snug. Now, fill the water reservoir with fresh, room temperature water up to the marked fill line. This is typically about 3/4 of the tank's capacity. The auto middle pet cleverly manages the watering schedule, delivering moisture directly to the roots. Remember to check the reservoir's water level every few days, especially when your plants are growing quickly, to ensure continuous hydration. Nutrient delivery is effortless with your auto middle pet garden. Following the system's instructions, add the designated liquid nutrients to the water reservoir. This is usually a small amount, added approximately once every 2 weeks, providing all the essential elements your plants need to thrive. Take a moment each day to admire your plant's progress, looking for rich green leaves and robust growth. Your system may also have a digital display or colored lights, indicating the nutrient levels, offering a quick visual check. This simple routine ensures your plants receive consistent nourishment. The most rewarding part of indoor gardening is harvesting your bounty. Begin harvesting when your plants are fully mature and ready to enjoy, which for many leafy greens can be as early as 6 weeks. Use clean scissors to snip leaves or fruits, encouraging further growth. For long-term success, a routine cleaning is vital. Empty the reservoir, gently scrub it, and rinse the grow pods approximately once every month. This simple care keeps your auto middle pet garden running efficiently, giving you fresh, delicious produce all year round.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.